was not ready to get out of bed, honestly.
No, when I heard you moving, I was like, all right.
I know. Had finally forced myself.
Yeah, we'll do it. I mean, it's noon.
Exactly.
Noon.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday. Today's your birthday.
Happy birthday!
Oh, we are here on my last full day in Toronto.
Oh no.
I can't believe it.
No.
I don't know how we got here, but we're not gonna dwell on it for now.
We can't.
Nope, we cannot.
I
We
won't
can't
cry.
go there.
Cry.
And we have a very fun day ahead.
We do.
First up on the agenda, gotta get a COVID test.
So fun.
Because I need to fly tomorrow. So that's lovely. But then we are going to get our nails done and walk around Yonge Street a little bit. And then we are going over to Tara's parents' house. And I cannot tell, there is a plethora of things that I am excited for here. First of all, like, I can't believe I'm gonna be in like that house. Like I have seen it in so many videos and I've never been there. I feel like I know the house, but I haven't been there.
It's gonna be really weird, actually.
So weird.
Yeah.
And then I'm so excited to see your parents.
Right.
And I'm so excited to see your blue room.
The blue room.
And obviously, most of all, I am so excited to meet Brady. I'm gonna lose my mind.
She's gonna lose her mind.
I'm so excited.
It's gonna
I'm
be
so
everything
excited.
and more. Everything and more.
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
Best ever.
It's gonna be a lovely day.
Yeah, and then maybe I was thinking a chill night.
Absolutely. Maybe another Harry Potter movie.
I was thinking
on
that
the
sounded
docket.
really good.
I know, it sounds really good. We'll have to think of something yummy to have for dinner.
Yeah.
For our last night.
Oh, the last dinner.
The last supper.
God, you picked up on what I was thinking.
So anyway, that's the deal. I'm gonna make a coffee now. And then I gotta start to get my ish together. I wanted to move my COVID appointment back, but apparently these people are unreachable.
Unacceptable.
Okay, we made it out in the world and we are almost to my COVID appointment.
Yes, we are almost there.
A very fun activity to start the day.
I'm so excited for you.
So anyway, off we go and then we're going to find a Amazon. Here we go.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Love you. Are you trying Michelle?
Oh my god, that was so fast.
I know, it's done already.
Nice, how'd it go?
Fine. Starbucks. Oh, look at this. All right. 2 seconds later.
That was literally
It's the fastest service ever. Okay, we are on a walk. We actually are going to get our nails done later in the afternoon. So right now, we are walking to Tara's parents' house. I'm gonna die. I can't believe I'm about to be there.
with little Brady girl.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh, I can't wait for you to meet her.
I'm
I'm actually
gonna die when I meet
Me
Brady.
too.
It's probably horrible for the sound, but
But we try our best.
we are on our way anyway. I'm gonna die in just
ready?
a second. Yes, ready.
Oh, that's Brady. Perfect.
I am dead. Say hi, Jill. Are you so excited? You're so excited. Yes, thank you. Oh, yeah, I'm so excited to meet each other. I am dead. Brady girl. Hello, hello. So happy to see you guys.
You too.
I can't believe I'm in your house.
To fall in there. Amazing.
Oh, it looks. Oh,
Yeah.
Are those the like pistachio brand ones? The chili?
These are the chili, yeah.
Those are my favorite ones.
Oh, well, perfect.
I get them all the time.
Meant to be.
This looks so good. I'm so excited.
Where?
You're so cute.
Welcome over.
Come on.
I feel like she can't differentiate us. We're like one to her.
She's really confused, I think. You seen double?
You seen double?
Yeah.
So cute. We'll do a nice little tour.
I'm dead. I'm so excited. Oh, very zoomed in. There we go.
Family home.
Come on, Pep. go. Oh my god, I am dying.
Neon blue.
Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this place. Oh my god, he's just dating.
This is Brady's room now. He's on here. He likes
That's
to
so
look out the
cute.
window.
Yeah, you like to look out the window.
She's like, this is what I do.
yeah, you're showing me. Yeah, it's a baby.
This is a baby dog.
So many kisses. We are heading out to get our nails done now, and then back for guac and supremas. Supremas.
You think Becker's margarita hits? Just you.
I'm nervous because I black out on those every time, so it's gonna be a time.
Okay, we're going. Oh, I forgot my wallet.
Okay, nail time. Thank you. So a lot of pretty ones.
That's a pretty pink.
I know, right? Very like neutral.
Yeah, actually, really nice.
That looks really nice.
I might even have to do that one.
Well done. Off we go. Love it. Let me see yours.
Yay!
Oh, they look so good.
Let me see yours. Love.
Right?
Love,
Pretty.
love, love. Perfect neutral.
Well done. Got some guac.
Thank you. Cartier.
So good.
Looks like Cartier.
And Mitch is making us our classic Supremas. My first Suprema ever. I'm so excited.
So excited.
Hi, baby. Hi, I'm so happy to see you again. Hi, hi, hi. Cheers. My first Suprema. Oh, it's delicious. Oh, it tastes dangerous.
Yes, it is
Always. All day we were like, what should we get for dinner?
I can't believe we decided on this, and also very happy.
Oh, me too. KFC. We got KFC.
Shall we have a look inside? Smell.
Oh,
Smells like fried chicken.
yeah.
fried
Fried
chicken.
chicken.
First here.
The wraps? No,
I
what
think
is this?
These are the wraps. If I had to guess.
It looks like a wrap to me.
Oh yeah, that's a wrap in there.
Wrap with
So
fried
wrap.
chicken.
We got a fried chicken wrap.
Yummy.
Okay, next. Biscuits. Oh no, these are the chicken.
Oh, little popcorn chickens.
Oh my god. So sorry.
Cheers.
Oh my god.
With hot sauce? With sriracha?
Yes. Okay. Next. Poutine.
KFC poutine. I've tried
Apparently
lots.
amazing.
It's one of my favorites for sure.
Remember we called KFC in Los Angeles and asked, do you guys have poutine? They were like, what?
What is that?
Yeah, they did not know what we were talking about.
But this is one of my favorite poutines of all time.
Very excited.
Which is really weird. I think most people hate it, but I love it.
Fun.
Oh, the
Biscuits.
Yum. With a side of gravy.
With a side gravy, which is right in here, I would assume, because it's the only thing that we haven't found
A
yet.
large bowl of gravy.
I don't know if we have enough gravy.
We can put it in our wrap too.
Dip the wraps into gravy. Dad.
We're having a night.
Okay, and then the last. Oh wait, what? Oh yeah, remember we got a side of ranch? We forgot to get all of the sauces, Sam, but that's okay.
Oh, the popcorn chicken.
Small side of ranch, and then last but certainly not least, a cookie.
Oh, yummy!
A little chocolate chip cookie.
This is gonna be a good night.
We're back on the Harry Potter, and I'm excited. This one's so good. I'm very pumped.
Ooh, looks great.
Yummy.
I love the art. Thank you.
Thank you. You know
Beautiful.
what? I tried to do something. I should have tried to do.
No, it's great. It's perfect. It looks
done a
like
heart.
a weird little smiley face.
Can I make it into a heart still? Let's see. Okay, that's like that. And it goes up like this.
It's a good try.
Maybe I can try again.
No, it's perfect.
Go like that.
Oh, there we go. It's looking a little
Gonna be
better.
A little heart. Oh,
Beautiful.
there we go. It's a heart for you.
Thank you so much.
My love.
Wow. Face is looking interesting. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. Tara made me some coffee for our last morning together.
I'm so sad.
It's not right.
No, it's very, very, very wrong. Very wrong.
Coffee tastes good though. I go back to LA today. It is a sad time having to say goodbye.
It's a horrible time.
It's not right. I didn't even mention this to you guys, but I'm getting to the airport super early because Connor actually, when he was leaving, missed his flight. Totally not his fault, but customs was just so crazy that he missed it. He got there as early as he possibly could, and it still was not enough time. So I'm giving myself 3 hours before my flight.
So much time.
Just because I don't want to risk it. I'd rather sit around at the airport and get on my flight than show up too late and miss it. So that's, you know, the way that it has to be.
The way the cookie crumbles.
Yeah. Not looking forward to it.
Bitch though.
So that was basically the plan for the day. I need to get packed up. My stuff is everywhere. So I need to do a good sweep and make sure that I get everything. Got my COVID test taken care of yesterday, came back negative, so that's good.
Woot woot.
And woot woot. There you go. Oh, I'm so excited to see Molly Cat today.
Cheers.
Be back with Connor, but it is very sad to leave.
It's a very sad dog. Ah! No. No. No.
Strange angle, but there's nowhere really to put my camera in here, so here we are. I'm just sort of finishing up, packing stuff up. I'm working on all of my toiletries down here right now because everything is everywhere. Everything is everywhere. It's gonna be a lot to like go through everything when I get home and unpack and figure out what's clean, what's dirty. It's gonna be a whole time once I get back home. I can't believe how quickly 18 days here flew by though. I can't even begin to reflect on this trip right now. It's just not gonna be it. So we're gonna chat more about that in another video because I do not know. I do not know. I obviously know what everyone's big question is gonna be coming back from this trip, and I'm excited because my vlogs are quite a bit behind. I literally don't even know how many I filmed here, but enough. And then I'll have a little bit of time to reflect before I need to like start answering people's questions. Not that I ever need to answer anyone's questions, but you know, I don't like to leave you guys totally hanging, especially when, you know, it's a bigger discussion that we have chatted about before. So anyway, I don't know. I don't know what the heck to think or feel, and that is the truth. My bag is 100% going to be overweight, which sucks. Oh, I haven't even checked in yet. I need to check in for my flight. There are things for me to do here. There are things to do. I haven't heard this one in so long. Okay, I'm pretty much packed up. I don't have to leave for a little while still. That's okay. And now Tara and I have to try to navigate my giant bag down the stairs. I'm literally nervous because I think this bag weighs like 55 pounds.
We're gonna be just fine.
Oh, we're fine. Look at her go. This is so dramatic. No, I'm kidding. This is pretty heavy, but it's not so bad. Oh my god. Just make sure I don't fall down the stairs. Yep. Hold on to my foot. I got you. Killing it. We're fine. Everything's fine. Independent. Here she goes. We don't need a net. She is not falling down the stairs on my watch. Drop the bag before you fall, obviously. Yep. You want to switch over? Okay, we're okay. My serial killer trait is that I actually like Subway. And I will happily admit it because it's good. So just got a veggie delight. That way I can have half now and take half to the airport with me. It's going to be delicious.
Very smart.
Thank you. Sad times. Time to head out. I am not okay. This is a very depressing day.
I'm so sad.
I know, I'm so sad too. It's not okay.
I can't cry again. I can't cry again.
It's just not right. It's just not right. But we'll see each other soon. Don't worry. Yeah. Goodbye, best friend. So sad. Thank you. See you later. Bye.
Oh, I'm depressed.
Well, it took me 20 minutes to get through security and checking my bag and customs. So now I have more than 3 hours before my flight leaves. So we're just camped out here, found a spot with some plugs. I got myself a Caesar, which I'm very excited about. I was gonna say my last Caesar here in Canada, but maybe I'll double up since I'm gonna be here for a while. Maybe I'll get something else, we'll see. But we're just gonna be chilling here and I'm going to start working on editing and just get as much ish done today as I possibly can. So don't even have to worry about it. Can't believe how easy it was getting through though. Whatever, I'm glad that I'm here and I bet if I came like closer to my flight time, it would have been much busier because that's when everyone's gonna be there. So it's fine, happy to be here. Honestly, at Tara's, I feel like I would have just been sitting around waiting to leave anyway. So at least I'm here and I can be a little bit productive. Look at this full setup. I love it. It's like having my own private little office here. So we try a sip of the Caesar. Oh yeah, that is good. Time to board. The time flew by, honestly. In my seat. I'm in the middle seat, so I will not be vlogging the rest of this time, but I'll see you guys back in Los Angeles. Look where I am!
She's back!
I'm back! Molly cat! Molly's very excited that I'm home and doing some crazy stuff. Come here! Hi, Bessie. I missed you so much, Molly cat. I talked about you constantly. Everyone was getting real annoyed. Oh, back home. What a freaking travel day. I honestly don't even feel like getting into it. I'm so tired. I just want to eat my food and drink my wine and go to bed.
It's probably good for everyone that the recap happens tomorrow.
Yeah, definitely. It'll be in the next vlog. We'll have a little chit chat, but thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed all the Toronto vlogs. Can't believe you guys are at the end of it now. Me too, I guess.
Huh. Funny how that works.
Interesting. Anyway, talk to you later.